Welcome to Mondays with Melissa. Today I want to talk about second marriages and how important it is to make sure that your estate planning documents, your power of attorney, your healthcare proxy, your living will, and your last will and testament are all updated if there is a second marriage. It may be a second marriage for both spouses or a second marriage just for one spouse, but it's really important to make sure that children and other family members are taken care of the appropriate way and set up so that when you pass away, the right person gets whatever it is that you want to leave to them. And sometimes that can change when there's a second marriage. For example, if you marry a second time and you and your spouse put each other on all your bank accounts as joint owners and on your property as a joint owner, the asset will go to the survivor of the two. And if the spouse that passes first had children from a prior marriage and thought everything was going to go to those children, well, the second spouse, the new spouse, could potentially change up a will or have their own estate plan, not even on purpose, that might leave out the children from the predeceased spouse. And so it's very important to sit down with your estate planning attorney and go over your documents, such as your will, to make sure that your children would not be put into a position where they might be left out of an inheritance or left out of a will because of the way things are being set up. It happens a lot now. Unfortunately, so many marriages end in divorce. So it's really, really important to keep in mind. And if you or anyone you know needs to have that conversation, you can always reach out to us. Put any questions that you have in the comments, and we'll see you next week.